In this video, I'm going to show you how to finish your embroidery hoop with washi tape. Hi there, I'm Sarah with the Notorious Needle, and I want to empower you to break the rules of conventional cross stitch so you can make whatever you want. For this project, you'll need your finished cross stitch, embroidery hoop, washi tape, a tapestry needle that I have on my needle minder here, scissors, and a screwdriver, depending on what type of hoop you're using. Let's open up the washi tape. Okay, I have found the end of my tape. For this project, it's best to use tape that has a backing because you will be touching it and you don't want it to lose its stickiness by touching it with your fingers. Go ahead and separate the inner and outer pieces of your embroidery hoop. You're going to put your tape on the outer hoop. Start removing the backing from your tape, but not all the way. And you don't need to cut a piece either. Go ahead and start at the underside of your hoop and wrap your tape around once. Now we can begin wrapping our tape around the rest of the hoop. Gently tug on your tape as you wrap it around. Make sure you're getting a good stick, but try to only touch it where the backing is still covering the sticky part. Oops. Mine ripped because I pulled it too tight. That's okay. I'm using a glitter washi tape and you won't be able to tell if I've started and stopped it. I'm going to trim the paper backing and start again where I left off. You might find it easier to trim pieces of your tape and do a little piece at a time. I like to keep it all on one piece, which can be a little bit tangled. Continue wrapping the tape around the rest of the hoop. Careful not to let any of the hoop show through between the wrappings of washi tape. When you come to the end, go around one full time at the end. And then cut your tape so that the end is inside the hoop. I'm just pressing this really tight. There we go. So the hoop is all wrapped up. Next, place your fabric in the hoop like you normally would. Try and get it as centered as you can, or at least get it where you want it. Then, when you place the outer hoop over the inner hoop, see the tape isn't sticking 100%, you need to press it in a way that it will press the end of the tape down. So I'm going to flip this over and put my hoop down this way. That way, as I press the outer hoop over the inner hoop, it will push on this end of the tape in the right direction. I almost forgot to mention that the screwdriver is to tighten your hoop depending on the type of hoop that you have. My hoop has a Phillips head screw tightener, so I'm going to use the screwdriver to tighten it. Now finish your hoop as you normally would. You can use multiple rolls of tape to get a spiralized effect, but it is a bit harder to work with. Using washi tape to cover your embroidery hoop is a beautiful solution when you are out of time and low on money, but you still want to get your embroidery to have a pretty finished look. To finish the back of my embroidery, I used bright yellow felt, and this matches the stitching on the front. To learn how to finish your embroidery hoop this way, watch this video. And for more crazy, easy hoop finishing ideas, watch this playlist. Stitch on!